Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best clay bead sets is probably one of the most versatile and creative crafting tools available today, offering endless possibilities for jewelry making, DIY projects, and unleashing your imagination with a wide array of colors, shapes, and sizes to create unique and personalized pieces that reflect your style and creativity. Number 5. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. It has almost 6,000 colorful clay beads, various charms, elastic strings, and even scissors. Everything you need to start making bracelets is included in one convenient kit. With 24 bright colors to choose from, you can create unique and colorful bracelets. Mix and match to create your own style. These beads are made of high-quality polymer clay, ensuring they're durable and safe for use. They're lightweight and comfortable to wear, too. Use them to make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or even keychains. The possibilities are endless with this versatile kit. It's a thoughtful and fun gift for creative girls. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. We carefully check the quality of each bead to ensure you receive a perfect kit. Enjoy creating beautiful jewelry. What we like. It has everything you need to start making bracelets, including beads, charms, and strings. If you're looking for a complete kit with a variety of colors to get started, this is a great option for beginners. It's also a perfect gift for kids, as the materials are safe and easy to use. What people say. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a comprehensive set featuring 24 colors of flat polymer clay beads, charms, and accessories for crafting friendship bracelets and jewelry. Includes charms, spacers, and strings for diverse bracelet and jewelry creations. Durable polymer clay beads that are lightweight and easy to handle. Number 4. QUEFE 14420 PCS Beads Kit. Get ready to explore this incredible kit. It's packed with 14,420 beads in a variety of colors and shapes, plus all the accessories you need to start creating. With 56 vibrant colors to choose from, it's easy to find the perfect shade for any project. Each color is neatly organized, making it simple to find what you need. These beads are made from high-quality polymer clay, ensuring they're safe, durable, and comfortable to wear. They're also waterproof and fade-resistant. This kit includes 14,000 clay beads, letter beads, spacer beads, and all the necessary findings like clasps, jump rings, and even cute pendants. 2 rolls of elastic string are also included for easy assembly. Create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or keychains. It's a great way to express your creativity and make personalized gifts for friends and family. Gather your friends and family for a fun and relaxing crafting session. It's a wonderful way to bond and unleash your inner artist. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive array of colors, all neatly organized for easy access. If you need a wide range of colors for your projects and appreciate convenience, this is the kit for you. The additional charms add extra creative possibilities. What people say. This pack was amazing to order because it is massive and it has so many color options. It also comes with tons of add-ons like clasps and hooks and even letters to write their names on it. Lots of colors and everything you need to make bracelets. The 2 cases the beads come in are secure, and the beads are good quality. Number 3. Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This kit has everything you need to get started making bracelets. It comes with 19,000 clay beads in 120 colors, plus tons of fun accessories like charms and pendants. These beads are made of high-quality polymer clay. They're lightweight, comfortable, waterproof, and won't fade easily, so you can wear them anywhere. The beads are neatly organized in 6 boxes, each with a different set of colors. Finding the perfect shade for your project is a breeze. This isn't just for bracelets. It's a great way to spend quality time with kids, spark creativity, and make unique gifts for friends and family. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This kit is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. With 120 colors and over 19,000 beads, you'll have endless possibilities for creating unique jewelry. If you're an experienced crafter or love having a huge selection to choose from, this kit is perfect for you. The organized boxes make finding the perfect shade a breeze. What people say. 4 boxes of clay beads mostly good quality and 1 box of accents and accessories that are mixed quality. Excellent place to start for the price. Bracelets made with them are comfortable to wear. They're easy to string using beading needles but a bit difficult without. It comes with 5 sturdy pre-sorted boxes of bead and accessories. The clay beads are a little irregular but there were very few I couldn't use at all. There's a variety of colors across the boxes. The rings for earrings are cool, but the hooks will irritate most ears. Some of the accent beads are lower quality. The metallic accent and spacer beads like the stars are perfect though. This kit had various colors and charms, perfect for the beginner. I was able to make 4 bracelets in the 1-hour class I took which used this kit. I have plenty to make more. Number 2. QUEFE 14,000 PCS Clay Beads Kit. It has 136 vibrant colors to match any outfit or holiday. Let your imagination run wild and create unique jewelry. This kit is packed with 14,000 polymer clay beads, plus charms, clasps, and threads. You'll have everything you need to start crafting. These beads are made of high-quality polymer clay, ensuring durability and consistent size. Each bead is carefully checked for quality. Making bracelets, necklaces, or earrings is a breeze. It's a perfect activity to improve your crafting skills and create personalized gifts. It makes a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Surprise your loved ones with a unique, handmade gift. What we like. This kit offers a stunning range of colors, including trendy rainbow shades. If you love vibrant, unique colors and want high-quality beads that are durable and long-lasting, this is the one for you. The improved bead quality ensures your creations will last. What people say. Great kit with lots of color options. Love all the colors included in this set. I also like the quality of the beads. Having the colors sorted into small sets with so many hues makes choosing just the right color so easy. Number 1. Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. This kit has everything you need to make bracelets. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. You get 16,000 beads in 96 colors, plus tons of charms and string. It's a fantastic deal. With 96 trendy colors to choose from, including speckled beads, you can create any bracelet you imagine. Each color is neatly organized too. These beads are made of non-toxic, durable polymer clay. They're lightweight, waterproof, and perfect for comfortable wear. Make bracelets, necklaces, keychains, the possibilities are endless. It's also a great gift for any occasion. This large kit is ideal for group activities. Gather your friends and family for a fun and creative crafting session. What we like. It features unique speckled beads that add a special touch to your designs. If you are looking for something unique and love to experiment with different textures and colors, this kit is for you. The large quantity ensures you won't run out of beads anytime soon. What people say. You get every color, every design and shape. So much fun for adult and kids. There are so many charms and so many beads. And you can make so many bracelets. The kit arrived neatly packaged with a variety of colorful beads, strings, and a set of basic tools. The assortment of beads included different sizes, shapes, and materials, allowing for a wide range of design possibilities. What truly impressed me was the quality of the materials. The beads were vibrant and well-crafted, and the strings provided were sturdy enough to withstand the tugging and tying involved in the process. The inclusion of the tools, such as the clasp and needle, was a thoughtful touch that made the creation process smoother. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.